Hi guys, this is Anuradha here and we are celebrating the 6th anniversary of Golmaal. Golmaal, which is very well known for its modern vintage fashion garments. We are the 6th party. Hello ma'am, would you like to share your experience with Golmaal in the 6th anniversary?
Yes, absolutely. It's been a pleasure to be shopping from the store. I've been coming here regularly since 3 years.
Okay.
Simrita, as the owner, also happens to be my friend. So it's always wonderful to come here, meet her, and also buy some of her very wonderful clothes.
Would you like to share your experience with Golmaal?
I've been shopping and I know Simrita for really long, and I wish her store a lot more, many more years to come. Whenever I wear an outfit from Golmaal, I'm always asked, where is this outfit from? It's so fabulous. And I keep coming back because of that.
I've known Simrita for many, many years, much before Golmaal has been born.
Okay.
And I have always admired her great level of enthusiasm and her entrepreneurial spirit. And it's great to see Golmaal rocking, and look forward to the day when there will be many, many more Golmaal stores in India for all the women who need something like this.
Okay, so if you had to describe Golmaal in one sentence, what it would be and why?
Golmaal is truly Golmaal because it's something which will make the world go round.
This is the first time I'm visiting the stores and all, and I'm really very impressed by the kind of stuff I'm seeing, and such, variety of Western and, ethnic dresses, and at such reasonable prices. So now maybe after this range, they'll come out with their Christmas and New Year range and all. So I'll be surely here with my whole gang over here.
Would you like to share your experience with Golmaal?
I absolutely love the clothes are absolutely just divine. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so if you had to describe Golmaal in one word, what it would be and why?
I would say colorful, modern.
Hi Chitra and welcome to the 6th anniversary of Golmaal. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling really good here. It's the opening of this store and it's really nice, amazing collection. I really love the collection. All different kind of one pieces from I'm a model. So there are all different kind of one piece with different designs and it's unique.
Okay, so how